This is a review of the Emma Kites Blue 1mm UHMWPE micro rope. And let's see, so let's pull it out. Probably should cut the bag a little more. But there we go. Just generic plastic wrapping. It's also wrapped this way. Not doing well today, am I? Yeah, feels pretty good. It's a nylon rope. You see that? And the reason I got this is not for, well, it's for tying stuff up, but the reason I got that is because I'm into RC cars, and what this is going to be is this is going to be like a synthetic rope for my winches, like for this one right here. And the reason I got that is, well, this particular winch, of course, has that steel cable, and yeah, look at that. So it's wound up, so it's all doing that. And then it came with its own kind of fake synthetic rope for that. And so we can do some measurements here. Okay, zeroed. The cable is 0.8. Not putting any pressure. 0.8 millimeters. Then if we take the synthetic, the fake synthetic, too tight, back off. Uh, 1.1, and as you can tell, this is kind of a cheap caliper, so make sure it's zeroed again. And we'll put it on this. Come on. Alright, I'm doing that to make sure it gets I get as tight as I can. That's right at 1. And the reason, of course, I'm not going to use this one is, yeah, that would be great for it, but I'm going for a kind of a theme with my stuff, so, and my favorite color is blue, so that's why I got that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by, and remember, however you run it the Wyoming cowboy way. Safe, fun, and built right.